the end of this video, you're going to know about the best AI photo editing software on the market. You'll be surprised what number 2 is. So let's get right into it. For number 7, I have Prisma Labs. This is called Lensa in particular, and this is the best for AI mobile editing. So they have an app for both Google, that is on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So if you want to use your phone to actually edit, you don't need Canva, believe it or not. You can actually download Lensa and actually use it to edit your photos. And the great thing about it is that they have an AI tool incorporated in it. So you're going to have an assistant along the way. So it's pretty easy to use, and make sure you guys could get that one. And then for number 6, I have Topaz Labs, and it's the best for sharpening images. And as you can see, it takes this from a blurry side all the way to a very nice like contrast. Look at how neat this is, half and half. You can see it, right? This is what it does, and it's an AI tool that actually does this for you. I heard at the moment they actually have like a video AI. You guys can go test that out. But Topaz Labs is the best, in my opinion, for like sharpening images when it comes to using AI to edit. All right, let's keep going. Number 5, I have remove.bg. This is the best for actually taking out backgrounds. So you can see this lady right here. If you take this photo and you put it in here, it's gonna take out her background. Okay, so if you're in the background of something you don't like, or maybe you just want like a portrait image of yourself that you can then take over to like a white background and put on, just head over to remove.bg. You can use the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you use it, I get a commission. If you don't use it, totally fine. Go to remove.bg, you take it, you drop it in here, or you just upload it directly, and it's going to help you take out the background and just leave you right there in the middle. Okay, then up next, number 4, we have Adobe Lightroom, and this is the best for applying predefined filters. For a lot of you out there, you use Instagram. Whenever you upload your photos, you typically have an option to add filters and stuff. If you want to do it very professionally, just go to Adobe Lightroom. As you can see, look at how it's just cleaning up this image right here. And I believe they have like a discount that they're running at the moment. I don't know, I'm not sure, but it's $9.99 a month for just Lightroom, and it's pretty nice. That's the 1 terabyte plan, so you guys can go ahead and get this one. So for all of you out there who you're getting your photo editing phase a little bit, just go ahead over straight to Adobe Lightroom and use it. Okay. Number 3, we have the boss, Adobe Photoshop, and it's the best for photo editing reliability, point blank period. So when it comes to editing, if you have never heard about Photoshop before, what cave did you just come out of? Photoshop is number 1 for when it comes to like photo reliability and stuff like that. I mean, they just are incorporating an AI tool into their system, and that is pretty good. But when it comes to, if you have any photos, maybe you want to replace your face with someone else, maybe you want to go ahead and change out the background, maybe you want to clone something, Photoshop is the boss for that. As you can see, they have a generative AI that can actually help you with that now, and it's new. That's why I got them at number 3, really, and not really number 1. So because it's their AI is new. For number 2, we have Corel Paint Shop Pro, and this is the best for like font customization. So for anytime you want to go out there and design anything that has to do with text, I always recommend Corel Paint Shop Pro. I've used their software in the past. I know they have AI now, and their AI is much more advanced, as I've seen, than Photoshop's own, especially when it comes to editing text and stuff. That's why I got them at number 2, is because theirs is a little bit older, so it has much more inputs than what Photoshop has. And number 1, the boss, numero uno, is Luminar AI. This is by Skylum. They call it Luminar Neo. Right now they have like a summer sale, but when it comes to AI photo editing, these guys are number 1. They pretty much created the platform itself, this entire Luminar platform, right, for AI and AI only. So you pretty much will, I believe it, I don't know if they've started using prompts already, but these guys can go ahead and help you edit the photo with less of your input than anything else. So when it comes to photo editing, for all you graphic designers out there, even for some of you out there that have YouTube channels, for some of you out there that are content creators, no matter what you are, I give Luminar number one. This is by Skylum, by the way. So yeah, these are all of them that I just rated that I believe are the best. Make sure you guys tell me what you guys want me to create a video on next, and I'm gonna catch you guys later.